Good afternoon, guys. I got a recall on a Ram 2500. It's the trailer brake module recall. I'm going to show you how to do it pretty fast if you don't already know how. Basically, what you want to start out by disconnecting the ground terminal on the battery, so you have no power. Okay, there's that. And if there's any other flashes and stuff you're doing, which I got one on this, it's for the RH hub module, radio frequency module hub on this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back here. Here's the new module. The people already had it in the vehicle for me. You get new bolts, which you're not gonna use all of these. These bolts you're not even gonna use. You're gonna use these, but yeah. So what you're gonna do first is, by folding this up, you're gonna take all these bolts out. This one, and there's two in the back. And you're gonna take those out. You're gonna move this seat only. That seat, you can remove all the bolts and move it caddy corner out so you can get to it, because it's kind of behind the middle seat here, back behind this flap. So I'm gonna show you how to do that real fast. It takes you about 15 minutes to do everything. And the tools you're gonna need: you're gonna need a 10mm with one of these ratchets. You're gonna need, I got one of these ratchets. It's a 1/2 inch ratchet M12. It works very well. It's a high powered ratchet. It's like an impact ratchet is what it is. So, and it's a 18mm bolts is what they are. As you can see, that baby takes it out really easy. Sometimes it don't though, depending on my battery, which I got 2 bars left. I probably need to go switch this one out and charge it up, but so yeah, you're gonna need a swivel on those front two to get to them, and you're gonna need just a stubby on the rear. Make sure this flap is all the way out. Get that one down there in the back. That one's for the seat belt buckle holder, but it also holds down the bracket. There's one over here. Yeah, my battery's getting low. Lovely. So you're not gonna need these bolts, so you're gonna just throw them to the side. Now that you got that, flip this up. There's little hooks that it hooks onto on the back here, so you have to pick it up and out. So up, out, and you're gonna pull the seat all the way out. Like that. Lean it up against something because the back will fall down. And like I said, you're gonna take all the bolts out. So I'm gonna do it to the other side. Let me see if I got another battery real fast. This is my 3.0 red lithium. See what this one's at. Oh, it's got 2 bars. Okay, put this baby back on. That one I'll get later. I don't know what that is. Man, you got batteries and everything in here. Wonder what else they be losing. These are rental trucks. What you're gonna do is flip this forward like this, and flip it up, pull this tab, pull that out, set this over here, I'll lay this down, flip it out, pull your swivel off, and so in here one out, throw it to the side. Pull this one out into here. I'll stop doing that. Anyways, like I said, you're just gonna pull the bolts on this one and you're just gonna move this side out. So you'll see here in a minute. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so you're gonna pick this one up and just fold it out like that. That's all the room you need. Now the 15 or the 13, so you're gonna need a 13. Pull this little bracket off. There's a little tab right here, so all I do is just pull like this. Oh, and it shot out. It's right here. You just flex this out, pull it out. There's your RF hub right there. Pull this up, push this little tab, pull forward, pull it off, lay it down. This is where you go with this. The 10 millimeter. It's got 3 10 millimeter bolt or nuts. There's one. Two. Three. And this baby just pulls right off. There's your your trailer brake module. You throw that to the side. Here's your new one right here. It's always going to be one at the top. Can't get it wrong. It's only got 3 prongs. And the way I usually do it is I'll line the top up. The top up here. Come on, baby. And as soon as it's in, put your nuts on, start them by hand. Got them started by hand. Nice and tight. Get your connector. Make sure that's forward. Put it in and then pull it, lock it, and it's back together. This part, you just fold it like that. Make sure all these parts are in. There it is. And there it is. Put your little tab back in there like that. And this little deal. $13. Tighten that baby up. There's that. Okay, lift this back up. Set it on that hook. Make sure it's lined up over here. Get your new bolts. You don't want to put that one in yet because you got to put the speaker box. You're going to put 2 over there. And do 1, 2, 3 because the back one already has it on the seat belt. That one has like a little washer thing that locks on there, so I don't really mess with that. Pick this up, put it back in here. And like I said, it's got these little hook things that they got to go into here. So you have to pick it up, set it down. After doing them so many times, I'm so used to it. Whoops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay. Done it so many times. Stupid seatbelt. It's gonna fight me now. All right, it's that side over there. Hey, it's gonna fight me. Gotta love it. There we go. There we go. Now it's in there. See how your holes are lined up? And start them by hand. Let's barely start those. That one in. Nice and tight. This one down in here. Nice and tight. Put this flap up. Ooh, I can see my pin starting to come out. Yay. Have to beat that in. Look at that. Thing's coming out. Oh, where's my hammer? Hammer time. Yeah. She's fine right there. They told me to leave her out there.
I'm saying I wouldn't bring the side job in on that guy's here.
On what?
While that guy's here.
What do you mean?
We're just making.
Oh. Yeah. Well, I'll tell the guy to hang on real fast. Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. This is pretty much trash. I'm gonna throw this away. Don't need it no more. All right, here we go. Now remember, you got to put this back in first, so you net down. Gotta plug this baby back in like this. Start those bolts.
We're out, Paul.
All right. Nice and tight.
You're doing a great job, Paul.
Thank you. All right, that's done. I'll leave it up. Only thing left is to config to proxy align the ITCM or whatever it's called, and it's good to go. So GoPro, turn off. Yeah.
Hey, can you do a recall on that trailer here? Today?
Yes, yeah.
After this one? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can do it today.
GoPro, stop. GoPro, stop recording.